How to disable audio and video calls in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can disable audio and video calls on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say that there is a certain someone, or maybe as a general, in a nutshell, you want to disable audio and video calls so that you should not receive them at all instead. Now, there isn't a direct way to directly disable audio and video calls, but there are some indirect ways that I can help you with in order so that you won't get notified of these. So let's say if it is for one individual person that you don't want to receive their calls, such as video or audio call, open Messenger and tap on their profile. Tap their profile name from the very top of the screen. As you do that, here you'll find the option called mute. So you can just tap the mute option and just select mute call notifications, as you can find over here. Now you might receive the notification from this person for the messages that they've sent, but if they're trying to call you, you will not receive the notification in this case. So you can just select that option instead, tap on the OK option in order to disable audio and video calls from this person. If this is not what you're looking for, what you can also do is scroll down here instead and then tap on the restrict option. Now restrict will not only restrict their calls but also their messages and so on. So if that is the thing that you're looking for, you can just try to disable that as well. The other thing you can try to do is come to the Messenger home page, tap the three lines option, tap the gear, which is a settings icon, scroll and then look for privacy and safety and tap on it. Here you'll find message delivery, and here you can see it says choose who can message you. So instead what you can do is you can select people who can message you or not. In that way you will also not receive calls and video calls in this case. Otherwise what you can do is you can simply turn off access for camera and microphone on the Messenger app itself. To do this, you can just go ahead and then long press the Messenger app icon, tap the I option here, and then once you come here you want to scroll to permissions tab. So over here you can see camera access, it is set to allowed. Select camera, select don't allow. After that, select the microphone option over here as well, and then select don't allow. The reason I'm telling you to do this is because if Messenger app does not have the access to both your camera as well as microphone, they will not be able to use them, and as a result will not be able to make or receive video calls, which means that even if someone calls you, you're basically not going to be able to pick them up. So these were the three solutions on how you can actually disable audio and video calls on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.